Welcome to my channel, KetoMealsAndRecipes.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make a no-bake cheesecake mousse fruit salad. A decadent dessert that you can serve at any time, and the best part, it just takes 10 minutes to make. If you love a no-bake cheesecake, a light airy mousse, and lots of fresh berry, this very filling, delicious, sugar-free, healthy dessert is for you. If you want to show support for my channel, please watch the entire video, give it a like, and share the link with a friend, and of course, leave me a comment. I love hearing from you. So that you can have a clear guide, the macronutrient ratio for each serving of this cheesecake mousse fruit salad is 3.9 to 1, with 9.7 grams of total carbs, 2.6 grams of dietary fiber, resulting in 7.1 grams of net carbs. Here I have assembled all of the ingredients you will need for this very good salad. As I mentioned, the entire dessert takes only 10 minutes to assemble. To begin with, I clean my fruit and then get my blackberries, which are rather large in this batch, so I'm going to cut them into halves and some of these bigger ones into thirds. I want each berry to be the same size and about the size of a raspberry. Here I've measured out the quantity I'm going to use. I also measure out the raspberries and the blueberries. However, if you can find the wild blueberries in season, please choose the wild blueberries. They are much tastier and are more nutrient rich. Since my strawberries are in season, I'm going to get my fresh strawberries, cut the green tops off, and then cut each of the strawberries into quarters. If you have a strawberry that's really large, cut it into more pieces. Now that my fruit are weighed out and prepared, I'm going to set them aside. To make the cheesecake mousse, I'm first going to pour my whipping cream into a large mixing bowl. Begin whipping at medium speed, and as you're doing that, drizzle in the sweetener, and then continue whipping for 30 seconds or so, just to combine. Then I'm going to drop in the cubed room temperature cream cheese, and then continue whipping until you have a nice creamy smooth texture, and it should be mostly lump-free. Then stop and scrape the sides and bottom of the bowl and pour in the lemon juice and whip to combine just 30 seconds or so. Again, you don't want to over whip. To make sure that everything is well combined, use the whisk part of your stand mixer or a manual whisk to stir in order to make sure that the cream cheese has been incorporated into a very light mousse texture. Now this is the base for your fruit salad. The last part is to assemble the fruit salad, which you do directly into your serving bowl. Drop in half of the cheesecake mousse. Having done that, top with half of the blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, and your strawberry pieces. Then layer the rest of the cheesecake mousse on top. Set some of each of the berries aside for a moment, but sprinkle the rest of the strawberries, blackberries, raspberries, and blueberries on top of the cream. Then using a spatula, gently fold to combine and distribute all of the berries throughout the cheesecake mousse. Then get the reserved fruit and place them on top as a visible garnish. Not only does this look really nice, but it also shows everyone which fruit you have put in this fruit salad. The last thing you have to do is get the dry pan-fried coconut flakes and sprinkle them all over the surface. This will add a really nice texture and taste. This cheesecake mousse fruit salad is all done. You're probably tempted to serve right away, but for best taste and texture, place the bowl of cheesecake mousse fruit salad into your refrigerator and leave it there for a minimum of 1 to 2 hours, or if you have time, overnight. This will allow the cheesecake mousse to set properly and for it to chill, which brings out all of the flavor and texture. This wonderful dessert is best served cold. When you're ready to enjoy this crowd-pleasing dessert, all you have to do is scoop out and serve. By the way, if you have leftovers, all you have to do is cover the bowl with cling wrap or a lid and place in the refrigerator. In the refrigerator, it will keep well for 3 to 4 days. For all of you cheesecake lovers, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you will enjoy this recipe. Please come back next Thursday morning when I will post a new video. In the meanwhile, if you have any requests, just leave me a comment. Until next time, I hope you have a very happy and healthy day. Cheers!